Alright, we pressed in our T. We got it before the shut-off valve. Just in case they go away for vacation, they can shut the house water off and still have their irrigation running. We're going to put a drain down there. We're going to go straight up and out, and then we have our 1-inch vacuum breaker going outside. Right next to the ocean. It's windy as shit. Alright, I thought I had a 1x1/2 press tee. I was going to put the boiler drain right there with the drain down, but I had it in my hand. I must have put it down somewhere. I never brought it with me, so we've got this. And you know what? They'll have to get on a ladder, that's all. Okay. Let's get a hanger on that. Get this as close to the wall as possible. I'm going to do a kitchen after this. Put a 1-inch backflow. Just doing lawn irrigation, gardens. You can get away with a 3/4 if they're doing drip irrigation in gardens. You need the volume for the lawn. Are. Probably already lost them. I just bought them last week. Get a hanger for this. Get in there, bitch. And the Nagi's fucked up. There we go. Put this after the backflow. A lot of people put it here. then you got to put a vacuum breaker on it. So you put it here, so they want to test flow after the backflow. That's what that's for. Alright, we've got a drain down up there. Shut off, it's on. We'll go test it outside. I like to put the drains here. If that's open and someone goes to turn it on, they're gonna take a shower. Won't be me.